Hey everybody, it's me here, Sew Pretti here, back with another video. This video is going to be about me doing a silk press on 4C hair. Right here I'm using, and I am using Design Essential products. I'm spraying the Design Essential leave-in conditioner on her hair, and then you're going to see me part it out. I'm going to do it in 4 sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair. And then once I blow dry it, then I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the silk press. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video at all. Go ahead, watch, and enjoy. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks. Okay, y'all, and make sure that when you are combing out your client's hair, make sure you start from the very ends and then work your way up to the roots. You definitely don't want to comb out your client's hair from the roots. Make sure you start from the ends. And also make sure you're using a wide tooth comb when combing out your client's ends. Okay, so before using the brush, stretch the hair out with your hand in the blow dryer and let the blow dryer hit the hair first, and then use your detangler brush as you see me using here, and make sure you get all of the hair dry from root to tip with a good stretch of that heat. Okay, so also right here, I'm using BioSilk. I put it in each section of the hair, and then I rub it through. And then once I do that, I pull the tension on the hair, blow dry, and then I begin to comb. It just gives it a more silkiness to the hair. As we all know that our own hair has silkiness to it when it's blow dry, especially when you're natural. It has that natural sheen to it, but this just enhances it. Okay, now that she's all blow dried, make sure that your client is fully dry from root to tip before using a hot comb or any kind of heat, because you don't want to burn the client's hair out. But right here, I'm taking my hot comb and I'm going in. I have the smallest hot comb, and I'm going in order to straighten her roots out. I have a small flat iron, but that hot comb always gets the job done. You'll also see me going back in with my hot comb through the sections, some of the sections rather, because I want that root of the hair to be straight. You want the root of the client's hair to be straight. Also, when doing a silk press, you want to do it in small sections. Small sections will give you the best results. Don't try to go fast through it because you want the client's hair to be straight and movable. You want body in her hair. So do it in small sections, especially when you're trying to straighten the roots and everything. And then once you get ready to go back into styling, then you can do a bigger section. But in order to get it straight, make sure you do it in small sections. Okay, so now that all of the flat ironing is done, you see me with that white napkin right there. I took the white napkin and I put it up under her hair. That way it can give me a good visual of what I'm going to trim and cut off. She could go for a little more than what I did, but we're going to gradually go into that. So I think I cut off about 1.5 inches, but it still looked healthy and she needed it. So just continue to watch. Okay, so right there I'm adding the wax stick on her edges. I didn't put any edge control, I just did wax stick. I hot combed it in and then I brushed it in, and I sprayed a little Sebastian spray on there. She was good to go on that. We're finishing up the style. I wanted to curl it so you guys could see actually how it looks curled and when it falls, really pretty, but she just wanted it flat iron, so that's what I did. And pretty much we was in the salon late because she came late around, I think 5:30ish, 5:45. So it was about 7 when I finished. So yeah, it was dark. Anyways, she did a video at the end. You'll see the video at the end of her playing in it and everything. But it lasted her before she wanted to get a wig done. It was still silky in the 2 weeks. So if you want to see a more in-depth video, don't forget to leave a comment below and I will do a more in-depth video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my channel for all the 4C girls out there who's trying to get their hair straight. And yeah, shop with me at hairsewpretty.com. And follow me on all of my social medias. On my IG is hair_sewpretty, HAIR_SEWPRETTI. My Facebook is Hair Sew Pretty. That's 3 words. And my Twitter is Hair Sew Pretty. Thanks for watching.